Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we try to discuss about standard deviation. It is MYP5 extended math topic. So standard deviation, we have to see this formula. At first, the definition. The standard deviation is a measure of dispersion that gives an idea of how close the original data values are to the mean. A small standard deviation shows that the data values are close to the mean. A large standard deviation shows that the data values are further from the mean. The units of standard deviation are the same as the units of the original data. So we have to use this letter, use Greek letters for population. Mu is the mean of the population and sigma is the standard deviation of the population. When you use the Roman letters for samples, x bar is the mean of the sample, Sn is the standard deviation of the sample. So standard deviation formula also use Greek symbol summation uppercase sigma to the mean, the sum of. So summation x means the sum of all the x values. So here we have to use this formula for mean, mu equals to summation x by n, the sum of all the values divided by the number of values. So finally, we want to use this formula to find out the standard deviation, root over summation x minus mu whole square by n. A formula to calculate the standard deviation of a population is sigma equals to root over summation x minus mu whole square by n. So we have to use this formula. Now, we want to select one maths. We try to solve this one. Question number 6. Question number 6. See, a number, calculate the mean and standard deviation of the set of data. The data are 6, this is say 3, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Each number in the data set is then increased by 4. So at first, we try to find out the mean and standard deviation of this data. So if I write down this data, 3, this is 6, 7, 9, and 10. So mean, we indicate this is mu equals to summation x by n. Summation x means sum of all these numbers. So 3, 6, 7, 9 plus 10 divided by n. N means how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So upper side it is 3 plus 6, 9. So it is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So mean is 7. And standard deviation, sigma equals to root over summation x minus mu whole square by n. So if you want to find out x minus mu, so here we can form one table. Like this is all x, this is mu, that one is x minus mu. X means all the data here, 3, then 6, then 7, then 9, finally 10. So here mu's are 7, 7, this is 7, 7, 7, 7. So x minus mu means 3 minus 7, it is 4, minus 4. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 7, this is 3. So if we use this value here, sigma equals to root over summation x minus mu whole square, means it is like when x value 1 and mu is here, this is for the first value. So here x minus mu equals to minus 4. So we have to write here minus 4 whole square, then minus 1 whole square. I may rub this part, this side. Then this is 0 square. That one is 2 square. That one is 3 square. Divided by n. N means here 5. So finally we get sigma equals to standard deviation. This is 30 divided by 5. So root over 6. Root over 6 means 2.45. So our A number answer is completed. Our mean is 7 and standard deviation is 2.45. Now see the second part. Second part, each number in the data set is then increased by 4. If each number in the data set then increased by 4, predict what will happen to the mean and standard deviation. So students will predict these things. What will happen? Mean increase or same? Standard deviation increase or same? So the students will think about these things. Now I want to show you C number. Calculate the new mean. After increasing by 4, what is the new mean and what is the standard deviation? Now see how can we do these things. So we want to do question number C. Each number in the data is then increased by 4. So original data was 3, then 6, 7, 9, and 10. So when increased by 4, so 3 will be 7, 6 will be 10, 7 will be 11, 9 will be 13, and 10 will be 14. So mu, we want to find out the mean after increasing the data. So mean is mu equals to, we know that summation xi divided by n. Keep in mind this x will be after increasing by 4. That means 7. This is 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14 divided by n means 5. So after addition we will get here 55 divided by 5. So it is 11. So mu equals to 11. So we have to write it over there. Mu equals to 11, 11, 11, 11, and 11. So now 7 minus 11, it is minus 4. 10 minus 11, it is minus 1. 11 minus 11, it is 0. 13 minus 11, it is 2. 14 minus 11, it is 3. So we have to use find the standard deviation. Standard deviation formula is root over summation xi minus mu whole square by n. So x1 minus mu is minus 4. So we have to write here minus 4 whole square. x2 minus mu, it is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square. Then 0 square, then 2 square, then 3 square. And n is like the previous one, it is 5. So root over 30 divided by 5. It is root over 6. Root over 6 is 2.45. So after increasing, mean is 11 and standard deviation is 2.45. Now, C number completed. D, comments on your answer. Comments means after increasing. So, is there any change in mean or standard deviation? So, we found, yes, we found that the mean is affected because before increasing, the mean was 7. Now the mean is 11. So before increasing, the standard deviation was 2.45, but now after increasing, the standard deviation again 2.45. So we have to write the mean is affected. The mean is affected, but standard deviation and the standard deviation is unchanged. Now the last part, one of the numbers in the original data set has changed. So the data set is now 3, 6, 7, 9, and x. The new mean y is unknown, but the standard deviation is known to be root over 34. Calculate the two possible values of the unknown values of x and y. So we try to find out the mean of the new data. So new data mean is mu equals to 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus x divided by 5. So after addition, we will get here 25 plus x divided by 5. The said mean is y. So y equals to 25 plus x by 5. If you want to make x as a subject, we will get here x equals to 5y minus 25. Question number 1. Equation 1. Okay, so we want to find out a table here x and here mean, and here is x minus mu. So x is 3, 6, 7, 9, and x, and mean for the new data, the mean is here y, 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 y. So, so 3 minus y, x minus mu means 3 minus y. You can write here 3 minus y, 6 minus y, 7 minus y, 9 minus y. So if x is actually this one, so we can write here x minus y here. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the standard deviation formula is root over summation xi minus mu whole square by n. So this is sigma equals to root over. So it will be 3 minus y whole square, 6 minus y whole square, then 7 minus y whole square, then 9 minus y whole square. Finally, it is x minus y. That means we can write here x is here 25y minus 25 minus y. This is yes, whole square divided by n. N means here 5. So they gave us the new data standard deviation is root over 34. So if we simplify these things, we'll get here 9 minus 6y plus y square This is 36 minus 12y plus y square. We just use the a minus b whole square formula. This is 49 minus 14y plus y square. This is 81 minus 18y plus y square. So 25 minus y is 24. So if we this is actually this one is 5y minus y. This is 4y. So it will be 4y square means 16y square. Then minus 200y plus 25 square means 625 divided by the whole root divided by 5. So if we take square in both sides, we'll get here 34. 34 multiply 5, and right side if we simplify, we'll get finally this is 175 minus 50y plus 4y squared plus 16y squared minus 200y plus 625. So taking all this term in one side and simplify, we will get 2y squared minus 25y plus 2y squared minus 25y plus 63 equals to 0. If we factorize these things, we'll get here y equals to 9 and y equals to 7 by 2. Now, we want to find out the value of x. So when when x value 9, we want to put this in equation 1. When x equals y equals to 9, so x equals to 5 into 9 minus 25, so it will be 20. When y equals to 7 by 2, x equals to 5 multiply 7 by 2 minus 25, so it will be minus 7.5. So finally we get x equals to minus 7.5 when y equals to 3.5, x equals to 20 when y equals to 9. So I hope everybody understood this maths. Step by step, I try to show you how can you find out the standard deviation and mean. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.